In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate a campaign, edit the draft, and send it. If you've ever sent a great campaign and wished you could reuse its layout, tone, or settings without starting from scratch, this process is going to save you time and keep your messaging consistent. We'll walk through how to make a copy of an existing campaign, where to find the duplicate, and how to polish it before sending. Start by opening your workspace and heading to the left sidebar. Click Campaigns. This is where all your past, current, and draft campaigns live, so it's the perfect place to manage versions and create repeats of messages that performed well. Next, locate the specific campaign you want to copy. You'll see a list of campaigns in rows. Scan through your list and choose the one that has the structure or content you want to build on. It might help to pick a campaign that's similar in audience or goal to what you want to send now, so you have less to change later. When you've found the right one, look to the right side of that campaign's row. You'll see a Replicate button. Click Replicate. This creates a direct copy, preserving the original content and settings, so you don't have to recreate elements like layout, branding, or common sections. Right away, the copied version will appear in your campaigns list as a draft. Think of a draft as a safe workspace. Nothing will be sent to your audience until you explicitly choose to send. This is your opportunity to refine the copy, make updates, and tailor it for the current moment. Click the draft to open it. Begin by updating the content to reflect your new message. Swap out time-sensitive details. Adjust any dates or offers, and make sure images and links are current and relevant. Then, edit the subject line to match the new focus. A fresh, clear subject line helps avoid confusion and improves engagement, even if the body of the email is similar to the original. Finally, review your settings. Confirm the correct audience or segment, verify the from name and reply to details, and ensure tracking and compliance settings are in place. If your platform offers a preview, check how it looks on desktop and mobile, and click through links to make sure they work. Once everything looks right, and you're confident the message is ready, go ahead and send. By replicating and refining, you keep your best work working for you while staying accurate and up to date for each new send.